Hi. This week I've been working on the Business 101 videos, so watch out for another one of those. Yeah, it's a good day. It's a Friday. It's Free Rita's Day. Yeah, good vibes.
Hi vlog! I have done much homework this week because I have not had much to do. But you know what I did do? Memorize the impact presentation. Booyah! Let's go! Which is the only thing I've had to do at all. But that is okay because now I get to keep practicing the impact presentation. And my absolute goat Dylan, who you will see in the background of many videos and previous videos in the past, who's, if for Eagle Eye vlog viewers, has been interviewed before. I don't know which one. Go find it yourself. They get very annoyed because I sing it during lunch. They get very annoyed. But, at least I'm locked in. Bye, vlog!
Okay, hi Montclair Robotics fans. We got to go to Mount Olive yesterday. Super exciting. We love them. We are now back in our freezing cold, quite scary pit. But I think we are much like the pit. Could you pan to the light above me because it's staying up. It's just kind of sketch. Yeah. The pit is kind of terrifying. The walls are all kind of gross, but it functions, and that's kind of how I feel about our robot a lot of the time. Does it work? No. Does it kind of work? Sometimes. So, yeah. Hopefully the robot will work when you see it this time next week. You never know. I just show up and I see what happens. But it shoots sometimes, and that is better than I could have said last week. So a win is a win.
Hi everyone, I'm still Jeevan. Unfortunate news, I am no longer the build season, but I am still the build lead, so let's go. Let's start with build. So as you can see, our field walls are nearly done. Max Pearson literally kicked them as hard as he could, and they didn't move, so that's really good. As for the rest of the shop, we are currently machining spacers because we love spacers. Yay! That's really all we did for build. Oh, and new safety rules. If you don't know about these new safety rules, that means you didn't check base camp. And if you didn't check base camp, we have a problem. Check base camp.
People watch this.
Oh, if you don't know about the new safety rules, then you're not on 505, it doesn't matter. But new safety rules, yay!
Hi vlog. So we're here down in the pit. We're testing intake and shooting, and things are going well. Yesterday we went to Mount Olive. They have a practice field, so we got to do some practicing, and things were looking pretty good. There are still a couple things to sort out, but it was scoring a lot, and that made me very hopeful. And so when we go back down to Mount Olive for the actual competition, I'm going to hope that we're going to do very well. So thank you.
Okay, so we kind of just skinned the robot right now, but for code-wise, most of our issues have been solved. We've gotten pretty good at odometry, and shooting has been pretty consistent. We're running into slight issues when we're rotating and we're trying to shoot, but shooting on the move works relatively well, so that's pretty exciting. And ferrying, we can ferry from across the field, which is also exciting. And other than that, we're just running into other issues that are impeding our testing.
Hi Montclair Robotics vlog, this is Danica and my emotional support fuel. Our robot just tried to behead itself, really. That was a fun update of the day. But otherwise it seems to be working well when it's functional and fully together in one piece. So that's good. And yeah, I'm excited for the weekend.
Okay, so build this week. While we haven't done much on the robot, we have spent the entire week preparing for our grand redesign. We are remaking the entire hopper. We've already remade and remounted the intake. It's beautiful. It works so great. Okay. And this weekend, we're going to mount our new hopper. We're going to fix all the issues with the robot, and then next week will be entirely non-build, entirely drive practice. Don't hold me to that.
Hi, happy Friday. CAD's been pretty locked in this week. We made a new hopper. We're putting the finishing touches on right now. We made a new intake. It did not work awesome. We made a minor change. It will now be working awesome, so that's pretty hype. We've been doing little things like new mounts for network switch and radio, like little things that they just swap on in the background to make our robot a little more consistent and reliable. So we pretty hype about that. Catch you at Mount Olive. Yay! Amen.
I'm here with this fine gentleman, Taiki, our driver.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here. Long time fan.
You're great at driving, by the way.
Thank you very much. I try my best.
I love this guy. So what have you been doing down here in the pit the whole day?
Not much. Just waiting to see if electronics issues would happen, but they never happened. So just been down here a little bored, playing a little basketball against Cooper. You know how it is.
So is electronics really good because nothing's broken?
Yes. I'd like to believe that it never really breaks that much, and even if it does, it's a quick fix, and then the back off to code testing.
Wow. Our electronics division is so great. Who's our electronics lead?
Me and Hayden.
This guy's awesome. He's so cool. He's also our driver, which I've mentioned like 5 times.
And this is our great CAD lead. He does so much good CAD work. Never messed up, especially not the intake.
I have no idea what he's talking about. But look at all the stuff they're doing over there. Wow.
All that great code testing.
Taiki's been down here all day. Taiki, what's your favorite part about being down here?
Just the seeing the robot in action, gives me hope, gives me prosperity that we're going to do great at our next competition.
Rachel doesn't look very confident, but I promise, we're going to do so good. You guys aren't ready for this.
We're a lot better than we were at week 1, and we came finalists at week 1. So, if we're a lot better, then I guess that means we have to, win,
Cut that guy out of the camera. That was my weekly, not him, the one next to him, Cooper. Yeah, cut him out of the camera. That was my weekly interview, and I'll see you next week, right before competition.
Bye.
Cooper.